students, this is your syllabus. There are total 18 chapters. So chapter number 1 that is nutrition in plants, chapter 2 that is nutrition in animals, chapter 3 that is fiber to fabric, chapter 4 heat, chapter 5 acid, bases and salt, chapter 6 physical and chemical changes, chapter number 7 that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals of climate, chapter number 8 wind, storms and cyclones, chapter number 9 that is soil, chapter number 10 respiration in organisms, chapter number 11 transportation in animals and plants, chapter number 12 reproduction in plants, chapter number 13 motion and time, chapter number 14 electric currents and its effects, chapter number 15 light, chapter number 16 that is water, a precious resource, chapter number 17 that is forest, our lifeline, and the last chapter that is chapter number 18 wastewater story. See, so these are the total 18 chapters that we have to cover this year. Now let us discuss the subtopics in the given chapter. So the chapter number 1 that is nutrition in plants. The topics in this chapter are mode of nutrition in plants, photosynthesis, food making process in plants, other modes of nutrition in plants, saprotrophs, how nutrients are replenished in the soil. Chapter number 2 nutrition in animals. The subtopics are different ways of taking food, digestion in humans, digestion in grass eating animals, feeding and digestion in amoeba. So these are the topics. Chapter number 3 that is fiber to fabric, wool and silk. Chapter number 4 that is heat. The subtopics are hot and cold, measuring temperature, laboratory temperature, transfer of heat, kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. So these are the subtopics we are going to cover in this chapter. Then the chapter number 5 that is acids, bases and salt. So subtopics are acids and bases, natural indicators around us, neutralization and neutralization in everyday life. Then chapter number 6 that is physical and chemical changes. Then the physical changes, chemical changes, rusting of iron and crystallization. These are the subtopics. Chapter number 7 that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. In this we are going to learn about the weather, climate and adaptations. Chapter number 8 that is wind, storms and cyclones. So in the subtopics are air exert pressure, high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure, air expands on heating, wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth, thunderstorms and cyclones, destruction caused by cyclones, effective safety measure and advanced technology has helped. So these are all the topics that we are going to cover in this chapter. Then the chapter number 8 that is soil. Soil teeming with life, soil profile, soil types, properties of soil, moisture in soil, absorption in water by soil and crops. So these are the total 9 chapters which we are going to cover for the first term.
Students, hope you all are clear with the syllabus. From the next video, we are going to start with new chapter that is chapter number 1.